Should you answer the GMAT from the test center or should you answer the same exam from your home? This can not only affect your score but also your MBA journey. Hi guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be speaking about whether you should take the GMAT exam from a test center or from the comfort of your home. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Directly getting into the video, we have 4 major advantages of the Test Centre GMAT exam. Number 1, no technical glitches can affect your exam score. Number 2, the environment is so focused that there is no chance of you getting distracted. Number 3, you have a physical scratch pad with a marker, so the calculations and stuff are easier to do compared to a whiteboard. And number 4 is the score that you get from a test center that is accepted by mostly all the institutions that accept GMAT. Whereas in online exam, only a few institutions accept the online GMAT exam score. Coming to the advantages of the online version of the GMAT exam. Number 1, here it is all about convenience. You can schedule the exam based on when you want, how you want, in whichever room you want. Number 2 is basically you can take a retest again based on your convenience, and if going to a test center is a problem, then here the exam is directly from your home. Point number 3, no travel time. You do not have to travel from one city to another city to answer the exam or wait in line or take a taxi, cab, reaching late to the test center. All of that can be avoided. Speaking about the next part where both these exams come into like a comparison mode. So it finally depends on many students. They want easier way to work out the exam and calculations and stuff like that. So it's up to you. Do you want to do your calculations on a fixed like a size of the whiteboard, do the calculations there, rub it off, or would you want to be in the focused environment where you have some scratch pad sheets and a marker and you can work it out, all of that? It basically depends on how you want to go about with it. Whether are you comfortable with a home setup and someone watching over you, and if there's a technical issue, no internet or something like that, retake the test some other time or something like that. It basically now is what the advantages, comparing the advantages of both and then going ahead. But a major drawback of the GMAT online exam is that not all institutions accept your online score. So paying that extra money just for that convenience, and the school that you're planning on applying does not accept your score, that is somewhere kind of demotivating. So finally, if the question has to be answered whether test center is better or online, so it finally depends on you. If you are a student who wants convenience, does not want to take a lot of efforts in terms of traveling, and wants complete control over your test center kind of like a thing, then the online exam is for you. And if you are someone who wants to be focused, does not want technical glitches, wants your chance of applying to more colleges, and basically you are in that mindset where test center is not a problem for you, then test center is your choice. So basically you have to choose between convenience versus reliability, focus, and maximum acceptance. So basically, to answer the question which exam is for you or which format of the GMAT is for you, it finally depends on you. So let me know which is your exam, and if you have any questions regarding both of them, don't forget to mention that in the comment section below. I have made separate videos on what you need to look after if you are answering the test center exam, and what are the things that you need to check before you go for the GMAT online exam as well. Both the links of the videos are there in the I button and in the description of this video. So that is it for this video, guys. I'll be seeing you for the next video. If you have any questions, don't forget to mention that, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That is a small way in which I come to know that you guys like what I speak here on the channel. I'll be seeing you for the next video. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and all the best for your prep.